Hello everyone, good evening, good morning, anywhere you are now. In this session, we will make a post from A to Z. So let's start. At first, I have this design from Freepick. Let's download. And let's extract here. Okay. Now we have the draft files. Here inside workshop, the folder where you're supposed to put your project files and edit them. Let's create a folder. Let's name post. Okay. From TreeShade menu, a new, then data. Let's rename here data to list. So we can duplicate the design, make a new copy of the design every time. Click OK. Let's create a folder, list, the same name, open, and now let's create first item. Let's select text and let's name ID capital letters 1 2 3 4 5. Then here inside square brackets let's write label. This is for the first design. And now let's create a folder have the same ID 1 2 3 4 5. Now here inside this folder let's create a new, then select data, and now keep the word data. Okay. Let's create folder a draft. To put the files here that we extracted. Or we can put the draft, okay, let's put there. Now we want to make this design so the end user in marketing or customer can fill the content to produce a new design every time. So here we have BST file, Photoshop, and we want InDesign. So inside ID 12345, let's create a new InDesign document. Select a new Creative Cloud, then InDesign, and let's name layout. Okay, let's open. Let's place the BST file from draft, and let's make the file dimension, the page, 21 by 21. Okay. Now we want to make the same element in Adobe InDesign. So let's make this 50% and look. Okay, it's now looked. Let's start by adding. Let's open in Photoshop. To see what we can copy. Do you know we can make transparent here and put the photo under the image, under the entire image. So let's make selection for this, and in InDesign let's make here mask. We want to reverse the selection, inverse, and okay. Now it's worked. Then we want also to make mask in the background. Okay. Now it's worked. Anyway, let's save the BST. And let's update here. Now what we want to hide these items, but before hiding, we need to create here in InDesign. So let's look again, and we have logo in the corner. So let's make a placeholder for any logo, for any file as a logo. Let's take this, copy, and now not inside the draft, we want to be inside a folder called data, because we want the end user to update. So inside data, put the file and name logo. Let's place in the corner. Okay. Now let's save the document. Do you want to check in? Yes. Now TreeShade will automatically export the InDesign document to PDF. So just wait. Okay, it's exported automatically. Now we want to open the online form. So if we double click on here, on this file, data ts_key, then we can open online form. We have a preview for the InDesign document, and we have the logo, the content. Let's complete. Let's create object style for the logo. And here we need to check frame fitting options. So when the end user updates a new logo with different ratio, it automatically fit, auto fit content proportionally. Okay. And apply on the logo. Okay, now we have this text, modern furniture. So let's open text frame, and let's write the placeholder text. Modern furniture. modern furniture. Let's make Marriott Pro bold, and let's make paragraph style, a new paragraph style. Let's name top title, and here apply style to selection. Okay. Now here we have different color. The first line is what is color? This. Let's unlock the background, or let's see in Adobe Photoshop. Let's check the color. Copy. And let's add a new swatch. And here. Okay. CMYK RGB, no problem. Let's be RGB. The same. Okay. I assign the swatch to the selected background by mistake. So we have now the color, the golden color. And what about the other color here? It's a black entirely, or what? Okay, black. So the first line must be golden. In the paragraph style, top title, its name top title, and here drop caps and nested styles, then nested line styles. The first line, let's create a new character style, golden, and here the swatch. Okay, and okay. Now let's make here here we need to make not a new paragraph, first line break, to be one paragraph. So the first line golden. Let's put here. And now we have this button, shop now. Let's make in the same in the same text frame. Okay. In the same text frame, let's write shop now. Space before. And let's make paragraph borders and shading. Shading. The same color, golden one. Corner size. Offset. Rounded corner. And here let's make the width to the text, and let's increase top and reduce bottom. Here 2.5. Okay, and let's add more on right and left. Let's make tint 100. And the text color white. Okay. Now let's create paragraph style. A new paragraph style based on no, and let's name shop now, the same text. Okay, why the text changed? The text white. So what's the problem here? If the text is white and the shading is golden, if we put black, it appears, but if we make white, it disappears. And also I couldn't click white. If I click white, it's automatically changed to golden. We have a problem here. Can anyone solve this? Write in the comment if you have, if you figure out the problem here. Okay. I'm not sure what is the problem. Here, shading. See, I can make blue or green or pink or cyan, but when I click paper, it didn't assign. So this swatch have specific meaning. Let's make a new white. Let's create a new swatch and let's make white the opposite here. Okay. Okay, now it's worked. Let's make a left indent to make the box with the margin. And now 50% percent 30% off. Let's create a new paragraph style at first. Discount its name. Based on no paragraph style. Okay. Now let's remove the from paragraph palette. Let's remove paragraph borders and shading. No shading. And the color, the golden. Then redefine. Ctrl Alt Shift R. Let's make the text bigger and remove the left indent. And here we have do you know, I know the problem. I've figured out the problem here. Why when we assign white color, it change to a different color? Because this paragraph have what it's called, have nested line style. We forget to remove. So the first line have golden color automatically. We couldn't change the color to any color else. That was the problem. Okay. And here the same thing. We need to remove the nested style golden. And here the leading preview. Okay. And golden. Then redefine. And finally, we have these two contacts, the number and the website. Let's make only the number, no need for the website, because shop now button will go to the website. So we need the icons now in Adobe Photoshop. Do you know we can hide all the layers except the icons? I'm not sure if the icon is separated. Oh, okay. The icon is separated, good. So in Adobe InDesign, let's unlock the background and let's change to 100. Okay. Now right click and select option layer, object layer options. Okay, we don't need the logo because we have one. We don't want the text, and that's it. There is something we need to remove this. What can we make? Let's remove entirely from Adobe Photoshop. So this design rectangle, hide. I want to hide also the text. So let's select shop now, hide, and then design rectangle. Why not to hide from here? No need to hide from object layer options from InDesign. Let's hide from here, and that's it. Okay, save. So here let's update. And object layer options, keep layer visibility, override, use Photoshop layer visibility. Use Photoshop layer visibility, okay. Why they don't disappear? Because here in Photoshop we hide all the text. Okay, Greenwood, take care. Now do you know, I think to place the file again, let's delete, and from draft drag and drop the Photoshop file. Okay, now we have the text separated, and we here in the corner have two icons, the website and the phone. Let's put only the phone without the website. So let's open again. Icon. I'm lost here. So oh, this is the phone. Okay. Let's make the text big and then make wrap text. So if the end user writes bigger text, the wrapping will take care of this. So Control LW, then here text wrap. Okay. So if you had more text, it will be wrapped automatically. Let's make smaller. Okay. Now let's write the font. We forget to write the font. What was the font? Any number? 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. A new paragraph style. Let's make here a font. Okay. Black. Redefine. Make here. Why the number is reversed? 0 on the right and also here. Let's make in character palette digit Arabic. Okay, now it's worked. Reduce the size, make semi-bold and indent, left indent. Okay, now we can make align justify. So so the number always go to the bottom. Okay, good. Now we have the text and we need to create live snippet. Now the TreeShade part comes here. At first, let's select the first text, or you can just insert the text cursor inside, and then what we can make, and then while the text cursor inside, select from live snippet a new live snippet, and then right here the relative path to the text file inside folder data that exists beside the InDesign document, and then let's write here title top. Okay, now you will have that TreeShade created automatically non-printing anchor text frame at the beginning to mark the beginning of the snippet, and here at the end you have special character and nested style here. If you cannot see it, let's add some spaces. See this character, it's a special character and nested style here. Okay, now if you insert the text cursor inside the snippet, you can select from live snippet reveal in bridge. So Adobe Bridge show you the text file, top title. Now the same thing, shop now, live snippet, a new live snippet, and shop now. Do you know you can write instead of shop now, you can write PS, means paragraph style. And here the variable will take automatically the paragraph style name. Click OK and click No for setting dynamic identifier. Because if you click yes, then a paragraph style will determine the external text file automatically. So when you change the style here, the text file, the place text file will be changed also, and we don't want that. Click no. So now we have two snippets, top title and shop now. The same thing here for discount, a new live snippet. Now no need to write every time the style, because already you have here the variable, so it's easy to continue. Click OK, then no, and the same thing here, live snippet, new live snippet, OK, no, that's it. Let's save and wait for TreeShade to automatically check in the InDesign document. There was a problem in the number, in the phone number. We forget to redefine the style, so it's become large. Anyway, when the PDF revealed here in Adobe Bridge, that means the updating, the checking in action done. Let's refresh the online form now. Now you have the preview of the design, and you have the live snippet that we have just created. Discount, logo, phone, shop now, and title top. Here we need to reorder, so let's go to workshop, where the location of editing files, and inside data let's put title top, dragging and dropping at top. Then what we have, at first let's put the logo, then title top, then shop now, then discount, and finally font. Now just select from TreeShade menu, update TS underscore sort. Now if we refresh the online form, you will have the right order: logo, title top, shop now, discount, and font. Do you know you can make a thumbnail to know exactly where the snippet exists in the design? At first let's fix the problem here. We need to reduce the size, so let's make, and here let's make semi-bold, and let's add left indent. And what we forget before, to click Ctrl Alt Option and E to and R to redefine the style. Okay. Now the style redefined, no plus here. And now what we want to do, we want to make photo here. We forget to put a photo. So let's select any placeholder, any photo. Let's take this, copy, and put in data folder. Let's name photo, and let's put below the logo. Drag and drop and update. And now let's drag and drop the photo in InDesign. Oh, it became right. Now, as you remember, we removed here from the BST file, we make this area transparent. So if we put the photo here and move back, the photo will appear here in this area. You need to create object style. So new object style for the photo. Let's name photo. And let's check frame fitting options. It's important that when the end user upload a new photo, it will be fit, or actually fill frame proportionally. For photos, select fill. For logo, select fit, and here 0. Okay, and let's apply the style photo. I'm not sure if there is a AI function here to fit the photo automatically depending on the object awareness. I remember there is something here. Object export options, insert. Fitting. Okay. Here I see more options than in the style dialog. I'm not sure why. Here, content aware fit. So in design automatically fit depending on the object inside the photo. See, it takes the chair. How we can make this in the style? How we can make this in the style? Let's review the style if there is an option for that. Right click, edit, frame fitting options. There is no. That's really a problem. They must add something here for awareness, fit awareness. Fit frame proportionally, okay. Now what we want to do. We have finished the template. Let's save again, but before saving, what I said, what I want to set is to make thumbnails for the snippet. Every snippet, every text file have thumbnail in Adobe Bridge. This is the option. Don't export text coordinate. Let's check this. So now it will export coordinate. And let's save. And let's check in. Do you want to check in? Yes. And let's wait. Wait till Adobe Bridge show us show the PDF file, the exported PDF file. Wait. Count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, if we go back to workshop, because here we are in the output location and we are not supposed to edit this. Just click here under workshop. So we go to the same relative path, but instead of versions PDFs, it will be workshop. See, it's changed to workshop, but the same relative path. Here where you're supposed to edit your files, not at any of these locations. Like here, versions. See here, you have versions. And here the line, the red line, indicates that it's wrong location for editing. Before editing, you need to be assured that it's green here. Okay. Now, if we open data, you will have we supposed to have here coordinate. Let's right click and select set thumbnail from document page. Okay, good. Now you have on each text file small thumbnail that determine where the text is placed. Let's open from window preview and it's large. Now if you go from file to file, no, it didn't work. Let's try to check in again. You must have a red square on each text coordination. Maybe there is a bug. Oh, nothing. Let's try to uncheck, then check the option. Don't export text coordinate. Then don't export text coordinate. Now it's unchecked. So the text coordinate will be exported. So let's save again. I think there is something wrong, bug in the initial state of the option. Let's try again. Wait till Adobe Bridge reveal the PDF. Okay, now it's done. Let's go back to workshop. Let's open data. Okay, see, now each snippet have coordination, this red square. So the end user know where this text is. Now if we load the online form, do you know, let's add a thumbnail here. Thumbnail inside data ts underscore key. Double click the file. Click no for opening online form and no for opening paired folder. Now the text file itself revealed in this window, and add here thumb like this to reveal the display thumbnail of the input. Now let's refresh. Okay, good. Now you have here small thumbnail to show you where the text. But anyway, no need for this because it's simple design and every item have a label. So the matching is easy. But anyway, you have here thumbnail for the text. Let's try to upload new content. Like instead of this, let's load this, and here instead of this, top title, instead of modern furniture, let's write nature, water. Shop now. Let's click update. Before clicking update, let's put the window on the left, and here the InDesign on the right. On the right to know what is going. Okay. Now let's click update and see what will happen in the Adobe InDesign document. For the end user, nothing happen, only the window, the counter. But in your computer, the InDesign document will be opened, the content will be updated, the PDF will be exported, and within 1 minute, the end designer have a new design, and also have a new form for the new content. Have a new content in the form. Okay, that's it. Now we created the template, but let's continue in the coming session. Tomorrow, subscribe in the YouTube channel to know when I will go live, and we will make a list for this design, so the end user can add new design, not only updating the current design. How you can do that? We have now the list. At first we created list here inside post. So inside post, if you double click on this text file that have ts_key, you will have the online form for all design, not only the first one. So here you can add a new design, and automatically the form will be loaded inside this item. So you can here name like a new product, yellow chair, and here you can upload the photo of the yellow chair and continue. And when you click update, you will have a new product link as this, so you can open. That's it for now. I'm sorry that I forget to see the comment. Damocles. Yes, click on the T symbol. No highlight on text again. I think you are talking about Photoshop. When I was trying to delete the icon. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching and goodbye.